Gajah Mada, and I'm in a medical education and bioethics department, but mostly doing bioethics, and I'm happy to see everyone.
I'm a medical education expert from University of Thessaloniki.
So, storyboarding the workshops, as we said,
of web pages that we navigate from one to the other according to the decisions that we have.
Because I think before in our education system for health professionals, usually probably focus on the clinical skills rather than others. And I think now it's growing.
in my real world. So, good.
Right? Even though it is only a small lecture or maybe a practical session. And I agree with you that the most easy.
Rather than you, what kind of the good thing that they have been done.
Right, so it's how to pick out the good thing.
I would like to ask you about the ITE framework, ideal consumer expectation framework.
So for the first one, we decided
the name of the module, community-based clinical integrations. This because we will practice the module into discussion, and then the learning outcome.
Facial expression and head nodding is on this category because you might have done the eye contact with a smile.
And I would like to thank my colleagues and all of you for being part of this and making it a success.